नमस्कार दोस्तों, ये डिक्टेशन पिटमेन शॉर्ट हैंड पर आधारित अभ्युदय शॉर्ट हैंड मैगजीन, जो एक लीगल डिक्टेशन की मैगजीन है, की वॉल्यूम 1 से लिया गया है, जिसका एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 आज हम डिक्टेशन देने जा रहे हैं, जिसकी स्पीड 80 शब्द प्रति मिनट की होगी। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Section 3 of the Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1986 punishes any person who keeps or manages or assists such keeping or management of the brothel stop. Any landlord, owner, lessor, tenant, occupier, or lessee is punishable if he knowingly uses the premises for prostitution or allows the use of it or any part of it, or is willfully a party to the use of such premises for brothel stop. Here, knowledge of the person is very important. Stop. The punishment prescribed for the two offences is not less than 2 years and not more than 5 years imprisonment of with fine extendable to 2000 rupees. Stop. Para. Where any person over the age of 18 years is proved to be living with or to be habitually in the company of a prostitute, or to have exercised control, direction, or influence over the movements of a prostitute in such a manner as to show that such person is aiding, abetting, or compelling her prostitution, or to be acting as a pimp on behalf of a prostitute, it shall be presumed until the contrary is proved, such person is knowingly living on the earnings of another person. Stop. In the above circumstances, the person is liable to be punished with imprisonment of up to 2 years and fine up to 1000 rupees. Stop. Para. According to Section 6 of the Act, the detention of a person by another person, whether with or without the consent of the detainee, and such may be in a brothel or any other accommodation or premises for immoral purposes, such person shall be liable to punish with a minimum imprisonment of 7 years, but the punishment may extend to life imprisonment or 10 years. Stop. Section 9 prescribes punishment for seduction by any person having any custody, charge, or care, or who is in a position of authority over any person. Stop. Para. Section 13 of the Act empowers the state government to appoint a special police officer and to constitute advisory body to carry out the purpose behind this legislation. Stop. According to Section 14 of the Act, there can be arrest without warrant by a special officer or under his direction, guidance, or control if there is reason to believe that an offender is likely to escape or evidence is likely to be destroyed. Stop. Section 15 empowers the special police officer to enter search premises without warrant and to call upon two or more respectable inhabitants of the locality to attend and witness the search and remove from the premises all the persons foundation found there and shall be bound to produce the persons before the appropriate magistrate. Stop. Under section 17A of the Act, a magistrate making an inquiry may, before passing an order for handing over any person rescued to the parents or guardians, satisfy himself about the capacity or genuineness of the parents or guardians. Stop. Judiciary has tried to interpret laws in a manner which enhances protection of women and girl children. Stop. A public interest litigation was filed alleging that a woman was held in confinement. Stop.